Hey YouTube, it's Robert Hall, and today we're going to talk about a sale. But before we do, I just want to say thank you for the response to everything that I've been posting lately. The 101 series flash photography tutorial has been doing extremely well. Everybody who's watching it seems to be enjoying it. We're going to continue rolling that out. Next episode goes up on Friday, and then we're going to skip Saturday, Sunday, and Labor Day, and we're going to post again next Tuesday, and we'll probably continue daily from that point. So hopefully, I think within the next 2 weeks, it'll be 100% rolled out. Now, if you guys have followed me for a while, you know I've made some 150 videos, and only 3 of them, I think, have been about sales, because I only ever post a sale if it is extremely good. So the sale today is on the Xplor 400 Pro, aka the Godox AD400 Pro. Now, if you know nothing about the AD400 Pro / Xplor 400 Pro, you can check out this video right up here in the corner, but it's one of the more popular on-location strobes. A lot of people love it, and the Pro series of the Xplorers have the better bulb design. They have faster recycling speed, better color temperature, a better body overall, and a brighter modeling lamp. So there's lots of advantages to it, and it's just a really nice size strobe that is really capable of competing with bright sunlight, even using high-speed sync. I'll break it all down in a minute, but let me tell you, the best version of this sale would be the Xplor 400 Pro with a 48-inch quick Octa, something that I use in the studio all the time, and a C-stand for $594. That is almost $300 cheaper than if you were to buy these 3 items at their regular price independently. So huge savings are to be had here, but let me tell you how it all works. This is an exclusive group buy. You can't just go on Adorama and get this deal. Instead, it's just like Mass Drop in that it takes a lot of people purchasing the product in order for it to be sold at its lowest price. So there are 3 bundles that you can choose from. There is the Xplor 400 Pro and C-stand in all 3 bundles, and then you get to choose between a 28-inch deep para softbox, a 34-inch beauty dish style softbox, or the 48-inch quick Octa. So you get to choose your flavor of which softbox you like, but all 3 kits come with the Xplor 400 Pro and a C-stand. So by bundling those 3 items, they're already discounted. If 1 to 25 people buy, it's going to be an additional 15% off. If 26 to 50 people buy, then it's going to be an additional 20% off. And if over 51 people purchase this kit, then it's going to be 25% off the bundle. I'm buying 2 of them, so I can already tell you that it's going to be an additional 15% off. But let's talk about what those prices look like. On the kit with the 28-inch Easy Lock Deep Softbox, its regular bundle price is $772, 15% off is $656, 20% off is $618, 25% off is $579. But if you prefer the 34-inch Beauty Dish, then the regular bundle price on that is $782, 15% off $664, 20% off $626, and $587 for 25% off if over 51 people purchase. And lastly, there's the 48-inch Easy Lock Quick Octa. Regular bundle price is $793, 15% off is $674, 20% off is $634, and 25% off would be $594. So that's the deal that I spoke about earlier. 48-inch Octabox, C-stand, and the AD400 Pro. All 3 of them under $600, which is $50 cheaper than you can normally get the AD400 Pro or Xplor 400 Pro by itself. So clearly this is a really good deal. Of course, you got to benefit from the bundled items as well, but I don't know, I think most photographers can find a benefit out of another C-stand and a new softbox. A lot of people this time of year might be waiting for Black Friday, but personally, I just don't see a Black Friday deal on the Xplor 400 Pro competing with this deal. The numbers are just way too good. So if you want to opt into this deal, then all you have to do is fill out the form that is linked in the description below. Warning, yes, your email is going to be required because Adorama needs a way to email you your coupon code so that you can check out when this deal is complete. But no, you're not going to start getting some weird emails from me. I'm not going to email you. I don't even mass email my own clients. Anyways, there's the deal. Links in the description if you want to take part of it. And I will post in the comments how many people are up to date, just so that people know whether 10, 20, 30 people have committed already and how many more we need to get to that 25% discount level. I'm pulling for it myself because I want 25% off of my 2 orders. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. More intro to lighting to come, and we'll see you in the next one.